Following are some frequently asked questions regarding the role of the Attorney General in California's initiative process. So, what is the Attorney General, often referred to as the AG? What's his or her role under the state constitution? In Section 10D of Article 2, it states before circulation of an initiative or referendum petition for signatures, a copy shall be submitted to the Attorney General, who shall prepare a title and summary of the measure as provided by law. Where do proponents send their ballot measure language? Elections Code Section 9001 requires that the text of the proposed measure is to be submitted to the Attorney General with a written request that a circulating title and summary of the chief purpose and points of the proposed measure shall be prepared. Do the ballot measures proponents have to pay any sort of fee? Yes, Elections Code Section 9001 also provides that the proponents of a proposed initiative measure, at the time that they submit the text of the proposed measure to the Attorney General, they're required to pay a fee to the AG of $2,000. And that amount is placed in a trust fund in the office of the state treasurer. Now, the fee is refunded to the proponents of the measure if the measure qualifies for the ballot within 2 years from the date that the title and summary is furnished to the proponents of the measure. However, if the measure does not qualify within that period of time, then the fee is immediately paid into the state's general fund. Is there any review of the Attorney General's title and summary? Yes, under Elections Code Section 9002. It requires the Attorney General to initiate a public review process for a period of 30 days by posting the text on its website and inviting and providing for written public comments to be submitted. Now, what happens after this public review? Elections Code Section 9004 specifies that after the public review period, the AG is required to prepare a circulating title and summary of the chief purposes and points of the proposed ballot measure. Is there a word count or a word limitation for the title and summary? Yes, the circulating title and summary prepared by the Attorney General cannot exceed a total of 100 words. Is there a number that's assigned to it? Yes, the Attorney General is responsible for providing a unique numeric identifier for each proposed initiative measure. What does the Attorney General do with the prepared documents? Elections Code Section 9004 states that the Attorney General is to provide a copy of the title and summary and the identifier to the proponents and to the Secretary of State after receiving the fiscal estimate from the Legislative Analyst Office. And finally, are others provided the title and summary? Elections Code Section 9007 requires the AG to provide the title and summary to both the State Assembly as well as the State Senate once it's been prepared.